Today we'll discuss about the complex number, or you can say that is we will discuss some history of a complex number. First of all, discuss history of a complex number. What is the history of complex number? That means first enrichment is there in 850 AD. Mahavir in his book Ganita Sarasa Graha, negative quantity is not a square quantity, that he told that things in that day. In 1150 AD, Bhaskar, in his book, that is Bijaganita, they told there is no square root of a negative number. So, after that, Raphael Bombelli, Italian mathematician, 1572, multiplication of a complex number, he told. And Girolamo Cardano, Italian mathematician, 16th century, imaginary number concept, he told. After that, Euler, that gives the strong idea about in imaginary number. They actually in present in 707 to 783. Switzerland mathematician, he told me about the iota symbol, means I, which is the imaginary unit. It is called imaginary unit. That means for square root of -1, that is the I or iota symbol by Euler. That is I square is equal to -1. Is the solution of a square plus 1 equal to 0. I is called imaginary unit. So after that, Hamilton 805 to 865. That is Hamilton 1852 में. He gives the idea of axis of imaginary number. Imaginary axis के बारे में वो बोला था. And complex number, what design comes, that they told. And the solution of a quadratic equation in complex number, he told about the concept. After that, they develop all the concept. Okay, now comes to the topic, what is imaginary concept? The iota. After that, I will say all the things. We know that is x square minus 1 equal to 0. That means that time x square is equal to 1, means x is equal to, that is square root of 1, that is equal to plus 1, plus or minus 1. Similarly, x square plus 1 equal to 0. That means x square is equal to minus 1, means x is equal to square root of minus 1, that is equal to plus or minus I or iota, told by, that is derived by Euler. Or you can say iota. That means here I square is equal to minus 1. That means if I square is equal to minus 1, then 1 by I is equal to I into I. That means I by I square. That means I by minus 1, which is equal to minus I. Similarly, IQ is equal to I square into I. That is equal to minus 1 into I. That is equal to minus I. Similarly, I to the power 4 is equal to I to the power 2 का whole square. That means minus 1 का whole square. That is equal to 1. Similarly, I to the power 4k. That means I to the power 4 का 4 to the power k is equal to 1 to the power k, which is equal to 1. After that, I to the power k, I to the power 4k, that is I to the power 4 to the power k, which is equal to 1 comes. According to this concept, if the power is equal to 1, I to the power 4k power is equal to 1, that based on that way, we can find out the similar concept, means I to the power 4k plus 1, that is equal to I to the power 4k into I to the power 1. That is 1 into I, that means it is I comes. means I to the power 4k plus 2, that is I to the power 4k into I to the power 2, that is 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 comes. Similarly, I to the power 4k plus 3, that is I to the power 4k into I to the power 3, that is 1 into minus I, which is equal to minus I. That means whatever the concept you think about the iota, that is based on this. Means always it comes to what? 1, then I, then minus 1, then minus I. Always it comes in this way. That is the repetition concept comes. So that's why if it is any power, if divided by 4 or divisible by 4, then that value comes always 1. We are here the what is the key? K? Now K, where K is any integer. K is any integer. It may be positive integer, it may be negative integer. But it actually this is always value comes, that is a positive integer. Value comes, that is a positive integer. You can say natural number if you take, that is better. So after that, what value will come? So how to find out iota concept if that 4 concept I to power 4k, I to power 4k plus 1, I to power 4k plus 2, I to power 4k plus 3. This 4 concept if you know, how can you find out the value? That means this value always comes in between. This means this repetition, either 1 comes or I comes or minus 1 comes or minus I comes. This way we can find out. So white का square or cube or fourth power or fourth multiplication, what value will come? Then you suppose question given, that's why I to the power suppose 40. That means I to the power 4 into 10. It is I to the power 4k format. So that's why 1. So I to the power 41. That is I to the power 4 into 10 plus 1. That is I to the power 4 into 10 into I. That means it comes to I. Similarly, I to the power suppose 43 comes. Okay, I to the power 4 into 10 plus 3. That is I to the power 4 into 10 into I to the power 3. That is 1 into minus I, which is equal to minus I comes. In this way, you can find out I to the power minus 35. Means 1 by I to the power 35. It may be 1 by I to the power 4 into 8 plus 3. That means 1 by I to the power 4 into 8 into I to the power 3. This value is equal to 1 by 1 into minus I. That is equal to minus 1 by I. You have to multiply upper and niche. That means the value comes minus I by I square. Means minus I by minus 1, which is equal to I comes. Similarly, you can take another question, I to the power 232. That means I to the power 4 into 60 plus 2. You can say I to the power 4 into 60 into I to the power 2, that is 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 comes. Similarly, in the question I to by 1134, that is I to the power 1 into what value come? Last 2 digit. If last 2 digit is divisible by last 2 digit is divisible, that means whatever the concept is given here, I to the power 4k plus 1, that directly you can say I to the power 1. Why? I to the power 4k into I to the power 1, that is 1 into I, that means simple I. Or directly you can say I to the power whatever this, you have to that power you can write. Or I to the power 4k plus 2 power come, that I to the power 2 directly you can write also. Here similarly, I here right side, that means 34 is divisible, divided by 4, what the remainder comes? The remainder 2 comes. The remainder 2 comes. That's why 2 is the remainder. That means which is equal to minus 1 the answer. Means so how will say that is 1134 if divided by 4, then 4 2 is 8, that is 3 3, then 4 8 is 32, then 24 is there. What? That is a 24 33, that is to 1 4 is there now. 1 4 remainder, that is the 3 is a 12 comes. So what the remainder comes? The remainder is 2. So same concept, that's way, or other way you can write I to the power 1134 means I to the power 4 into 283 plus 2. That means I to the 4 into 283 into I to the power 2, that is 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, the answer. In same way, we can do if more questions are given. If more questions are given, you can do. Now comes the question here. So 5 minus 5 root over. That means you can say root 5 into minus 1. That means you can say root 5 into root minus 1 means root 5i. Similarly, that is root over minus 8 is equal to root over 8i. That means if multiplication is given, a into root of b is equal to root ab, if a and b both greater than equal to 0. Root a into root b is equal to minus ab if a and b both less than 0. In that way, root 5 into root 8 is equal to root 40. But minus root 5 into minus root 8, root of minus 8 is not equal to root 40. But that means minus root 5 that into minus 8 is equal to root 5i into root 8i. That means you can say root 40 into I square means minus 40 root of. That is the answer. So in this way, we can find out some question. If some questions are given, suppose 3 plus root minus 5, that means what? 3 plus, that is the root 5i. So same way, we can do another question, the how to solve the different. What the answer will come? Minus root over, that means it can say minus, this is I to the power 23, means minus 1 to the power 23 into I to the power 23. That means minus 1 I to the power 4 into 5 plus 3, that is minus 1 into I to the power 3, that is minus 1 into minus I. That value comes only I is the answer. That value comes only I is the answer. Similar way, we can find another. Now that is it. What question is there? This is equal to I square. If you taking 1 plus I to the power, this is I to the power 2 plus I to the power 3 divided by I plus I square plus I cube. It means what value comes directly, you support the value that is equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus I. That means you can say that is equal to minus 1. This is 1 plus I minus 1 minus I. Now it put the value that is equal to 1, that is the minus I. That means what the value comes, this is the 0 comes. So total result is the 0 comes. Total result is the 0. Now here, if you take that question comes in that way, I to the power n, that is 1 plus I to the power 1, I to the power 2, I to the power 3. That value comes I to the power n, that is 1 plus I minus 1 minus I. cutting, that value comes I to the power n into 0, that is equal to 0 comes. Similarly, more question you can do. More question, what will do? You take another question also. Just like you think about the question. Question is what? I to I, that is 1 plus I ka whole square. That means 1 square plus I square plus 2I. That means 1 minus 1 plus 2I. That is 1 cut, that is equal to 2I. Similarly, you can say 1 plus I ka fourth power means 1 plus I ka whole square means 2I ka whole square means 4 I square means minus 4 is the answer. Okay. Then similarly, more question if you want to say another question you can do. That is some typical question. So here I to the power 13 minus 1 by I to the power 42 means I to the power 4 into 3 plus 1 by minus 1 by I to the power 4 into 10 plus 2 a whole square, that is equal to comes I, that is equal to minus 1 by I square, that to the power 2 I, that is 1 by minus 1. So what value comes? The whole square I plus 1 value comes. That value, what value comes? I plus 1 value comes. That means what way that solution comes? Simple, that is equal to I. This value comes, that is a 42 means that I square comes. I square value is equal to minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 comes. So that's why I plus 1 ka whole square. Already 1 plus I ka whole square is equal to I. The same way the value comes to I. This way we can do. Another question, that is some simple and multi questions are there. You take the question that is here. I to the power 92, I to the power 992, I to the power 990, I to the power 982, 88, I to the power 986, I to the power 982, I to the power 980, I to the power 970, I to the power 976. That means simple you have to taking common. Here also taking common. After taking common, now you cut it. So what value comes? This I to the power, this I to the power 986 divided by I to the power 76. After cutting, I to the power 10 comes. So I to the power 10 value is equal to I to the power 4 into 2 plus 2 means I to the power 2, which is equal to minus 1 is the answer, that is equal to minus 1. That's the iota concept now clear. Next, that is the what is the complex number. That what is the complex number? In next video I will tell what is complex number and what the properties of complex number and why a multiplicative inverse and Polaris form. So please subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and please follow my instruction and you get more result. Okay, thank you very much.